Hello everybody, I am Tony. Welcome to my channel. If you have never been here before, special welcome to you. Today is Tutorial Tuesday, where we come in with my makeup pretty much done, nothing special or glamorous or anything except for my eyes. And we go into an eye look, which I forgot to grab a brush, so I'm going to do that real quick. So let me get my primer potion. I had stuff on already and it's stained my eyes pink a little bit, but that is okay. So I'm going to just take this and put this all over the eye like this, and do the same thing to the other eye because I'm going to be bouncing back and forth probably. And so, how is everyone doing? I hope all of you are doing well. I don't know how many of you guys are on my side of the coast of the country, but we got lots of snow. For the first time in quite a while. I can't remember the last time we actually got a decent amount of snow. So we're going to be working out of the Ace Beauté Paradise Fallen palette. Gonna start off with this color Eve. I have a Luxie 243 Precision Blending Brush. It's just a short little blending brush. It already has this color I'm using on it, so can't be unhappy about the wrong color being on it. Alright, I'm gonna start off in the inner corner, and I'm just gonna build this up, and let me keep grabbing pigment as I need it. And if it gets up a little too high, just try to wipe it. Now I'm gonna go down. Alright, I am gonna make that outer wall of this quite a bit thicker than the inner wall of this. It's gonna be a halo eye type of deal. So let me get that looking okay. Let me get that outer corner done. So there's that. Let me get pigment on this brush. This brush is like stained this color now because I've used this color like 3 or 4 times now with the same brush. So I've been using this palette quite a bit since I got it. I got another one of the Paradise palettes and I need to use it. It's more of like a fall harvesty type of palette, but I gotta find a way to use it the rest of the year. So I'm just basically taking this and building on the sides of this and making this shape for my halo eye. Going to attempt to get some of this pigment out of here, which is not going to happen. Like, no, it's not going to happen. It's about the best it's going to get, and it's stained that color. I got to wash it. Okay, now I have a basic shader brush. It doesn't have a name or anything like that. It's shaded like that. It doesn't have a stain on the end of it. It's shaded from teal to purple. So now I'm going to go into the color Night Sky. It is this shimmer right here next to Eve. And you could do this with any dark blue or dark purple. This is more of an indigo, I think. Matte and a shimmer. And now I'm going to take this, I'm going to try to go from about halfway in to a little further on the inside and have that add to the effect of the halo, where it helps add a little shine into the mix. So we're going to do the same thing over here. Alright, that was easy enough. So I didn't get a whole ton of pigment on this brush, thank goodness. So I should be able to get it off. So now, in this palette, I'm going to go into the color Moon Glow, which is this silver. And I'm going to get a decent amount of that on there. And I'm going to basically take that and just go over an area in the middle, and where that area is depends on you. I'm happy with that for now. I'm gonna take more of this and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And I need a little more. Okay, so that is that. Let me get that off of there. So I'm going to close that palette for now, and I have this Stila Glitter and Glow in the color Lilac Legend. And I'm going to try to get some pigment out of here. This is close to drying up, unfortunately, and now I have a ton of purple pigment on me, but I'll touch it up. There we go. That is beautiful. So now I really like the way it looks. I'm gonna do this again and see if I can get some pigment on here. So pretty good look. My eyes are two different sizes, so I'm gonna have to do a couple little tricks to make this look a little better. Taking this Naked Cosmetics palette, it is just a palette with what is the word I'm thinking of that I can't spit out? Come on. Okay. It's just colored highlights. So I have this Bugutchus. I don't know the name of the brush. There it is. It's upside down. Or not. I don't know. But I'm going to take that highlight and I'm going to kind of build around the edge. I'm going to take it up along the top. Sorry about that. And then we're going to go in the middle. So I really want to make sure I have a lot of this above the eye, but below the brow. And now let me go to the other side and we'll see if I can fix this a little bit. Sorry about the light. Let me hold this down a little bit and see if that'll help. All right. So that definitely did help. I need to put a little bit right there. So I am going to have to do a little bit of work just to touch this all up. Okay, so that's enough with the Naked Cosmetics palette. Now let me grab a little, what's it called? A wipe. And I got a ton of fallout, so I need to fix that. So I'm just gonna wipe it and then I'm gonna come back in. I'm gonna get my foundation and my foundation brush. I'm gonna get a little bit of foundation on my brush, just a little bit, and I'm going to take that under the eye. I normally wouldn't get into all this, but I'm actually okay with the way my eyes look now because they're shaped different. Like, they're always gonna come out a little bit different. But why would I show you guys how to do your eyes and then not show you how to fix the bottom if there's a problem? So now I'm going to take my Peach Perfect setting powder and just going to gently go over that. Gonna go on this side. Sorry about the light. Okay. So I don't know why my skin looks so off today. It's okay though. I'm not gonna redo everything. I will take my blush brush and just sort of put on a little bit of what was left. I'm gonna take my what's this called? My bronzing brush and just put a little of that cut there, and then I'm gonna grab my highlight, and I am gonna put my highlight on, but that is gonna be about it. So I'm really happy with the way my eyes turned out after having a few hiccups, and I did my eyes 4 times today. 4 times with the same look. and it hasn't came out the same at all. So it's been quite interesting, but that's okay. So now I have the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, and I'm going to take this and just take a quick few swipes up and over my lashes. All right, so there goes that. I am pretty happy with everything except for the fact that my Stila thing dried out. I know that they do this. It sucks though. There is a thing that I want to get. You know what? I actually want to do something else with my makeup that I forgot. So, while I'm still here with you guys, I have a BH Cosmetics very short shader brush, and I'm going to go into Moon Glow, which is that silver, and I'm going to go into the inner corner of the eye and just do that. Make it nice and glowy and bright. And then gonna go into that color Eve and get a little bit of that on here. I'm gonna put that under my lash line very cautiously though. I don't want to look like crazy or anything. Okay, so there goes that. And we are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's look. Definitely give me comments down the bottom if you have any questions, comments, ideas, anything like that. I'm always up for whatever. Sorry. Anyway, I love you guys more than you know. Trust me on that one. I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Wherever you are, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having a great one. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Alright, guys. Bye.